Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to transfer Tether, USDT, from KuCoin to Gemini in 2025. If you're navigating the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Gemini. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any necessary verification. It's crucial for security in the crypto space. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Find your Tether, USDT, balance and click on the Withdrawal option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need your Gemini wallet address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, and select USDT. Copy the wallet address provided. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on KuCoin, paste the Gemini wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so choose the TRC20 or ERC20 network that matches your Gemini setup for faster and cheaper transactions. Hit Confirm and authorize the withdrawal. You'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, always a smart move in the evolving crypto landscape. Once submitted, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Gemini and check your account. You should see your USDT deposited and ready to use. If anything goes wrong, reach out to customer support on either platform. And there you have it. Transferring Tether from KuCoin to Gemini is that simple. This method keeps your assets safe and helps you manage your crypto portfolio effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.